Have you ever laid your head on a soft pillow at night and wondered, how does this simple object become so comfortable and perfectly shaped for sleeping? Because here's something surprising. A pillow may look like just a piece of fabric filled with soft material, but making a high-quality sleeping pillow is actually a carefully controlled manufacturing process. Inside every pillow, there is a combination of specially selected fabrics, advanced filling materials, precision cutting machines, industrial sewing systems, and quality tests designed to make sure millions of people get the perfect sleeping experience. And the craziest part? Modern factories can produce thousands of pillows every single day. That means while you're watching this video, entire mountains of soft filling materials are being transformed into pillows somewhere in the world. But how does raw polyester, cotton, foam, or other materials become the comfortable pillow sitting on your bed? How do factories create something that is soft enough for comfort, but supportive enough for a good night's sleep? Today, we're going behind the scenes inside a modern pillow factory to discover the complete journey from raw materials to the finished pillow ready for your bedroom. And trust me, some parts of this process are far more fascinating than most people imagine. Let's begin. A pillow seems simple. It is just a soft cushion for your head, right? Well, not exactly. A modern sleeping pillow is the result of careful engineering. Manufacturers must balance many different factors: softness, support, shape, breathability, durability, and even temperature control. Because everyone sleeps differently. Some people prefer a soft, fluffy pillow. Others need a firmer pillow with more support. That is why factories create many different types of pillows. Some are filled with polyester fiber. Some use memory foam. Some contain natural materials like cotton, feathers, or down. And some combine multiple layers of different materials. But no matter what type of pillow is produced, the goal is always the same: create a comfortable product that helps people rest. So how does this entire process work? Let's break it down step by step.
Step 1. The beginning. Preparing the materials. Everything starts with the raw materials. The first step depends on what type of pillow is being manufactured. For traditional soft pillows, factories often use polyester fibers. These fibers begin as tiny plastic-based materials that are processed and stretched into soft strands. For memory foam pillows, factories use special chemical mixtures that create a flexible foam structure. For natural pillows, materials like cotton, feathers, or down must be carefully cleaned and prepared. Before production begins, every material goes through quality checks. Factories test softness, strength, cleanliness, and consistency. Why? Because even small differences in the filling can change how the pillow feels. Imagine baking a cake. If every ingredient is measured differently, the final result changes. The same idea applies to pillows. Once the materials are prepared, the factory is ready to create the pillow itself.
Step 2. Creating the pillow shape. Now the manufacturing process moves to the production line. First, large rolls of fabric are brought into cutting machines. These machines cut the fabric into exact shapes and sizes. The outer fabric is extremely important. It must be soft against the skin, but also strong enough to handle years of use. Modern factories use computer-controlled cutting systems. These machines can cut hundreds of fabric pieces quickly while reducing waste. After cutting, the fabric pieces move to sewing stations. Industrial sewing machines stitch the pieces together with strong, precise seams. Workers carefully inspect the stitching, because a weak seam could allow filling material to escape. Slowly, the flat pieces of fabric become a three-dimensional pillow cover. But it is still empty. Now comes the most important part: filling the pillow.
Step 3. How the system works. Filling and shaping the pillow covers. This is where the pillow starts becoming recognizable. Inside the factory, Large filling machines push soft materials into the pillow covers. For fiber pillows, machines separate and expand the fibers. This creates the fluffy structure that gives the pillow its softness. The filling process must be extremely accurate. Too little filling, and the pillow becomes flat. Too much filling, and it becomes uncomfortable and overly firm. Computer-controlled systems measure the exact amount of material needed for each pillow. Some factories use special air systems that blow thousands of tiny fibers evenly throughout the cover. This prevents empty spaces and creates consistent softness. For memory foam pillows, large foam blocks are cut into specific shapes using precision cutting machines. Some designs include special curves and channels. These shapes help support.
Step 4. The final output: testing, packaging, and delivery. Now the finished pillows enter the inspection stage. Factories carefully examine every product. Workers and machines check the size, the shape, the stitching, the filling amount, and overall appearance. Some factories perform pressure tests. Machines repeatedly compress pillows to simulate years of use. Why? Because manufacturers want to make sure the pillow stays comfortable over time. Temperature and airflow tests may also be performed, especially for premium pillows designed to stay cool during sleep. Once approved, the pillows move to packaging. Many modern pillows are compressed using powerful machines. The pillow is squeezed flat, wrapped tightly in plastic, and sealed. This reduces shipping space and makes transportation easier. When customers open the package, the pillow expands back to its original shape. Finally, the pillows are placed into boxes, loaded onto trucks.
What's really happening inside a pillow factory? Modern pillow factories are much more advanced than many people imagine. Factories use computer systems to control production speed, material amounts, cutting accuracy, and quality standards. One of the biggest challenges is consistency. A factory may produce thousands of pillows every day, but customers expect every pillow of the same model to feel almost identical. That requires precise control. Another important area is hygiene. Filling materials must be cleaned and processed carefully. Air filtration systems help maintain a clean production environment. Some factories also use automated robots to move materials between production stages. So even though a pillow feels simple, its creation combines textiles, engineering, and modern automation.
Simple comparison. Think about making a pillow like making a comfortable jacket. The fabric creates the outside layer. The filling creates warmth and softness. The stitching holds everything together. A jacket needs the right balance between protection and comfort. A pillow works the same way. It needs the perfect balance between softness and support. Too soft, and it gives no support. Too hard, and it becomes uncomfortable. The perfect pillow is all about balance.
Interesting facts. Fact 1. Some high-quality pillows are designed with materials that remember your body's shape. This is how memory foam technology works. Fact 2. A pillow can contain thousands of individual fibers working together to create softness and support. Fact 3. Many modern pillows are compressed during shipping. A full-size pillow can become a small package and expand again after opening. Pretty incredible for something we use every night.
Conclusion. So now you know the real truth about how sleeping pillows are made. It starts with carefully selected materials, then fabric cutting, precise sewing, controlled filling, quality testing, and finally, packaging. And honestly, once you understand the process, you never look at a simple pillow the same way again. Next time you put your head down at night, remember, that comfortable surface represents a combination of textile technology, material science, engineering, and thousands of precise manufacturing steps. So, what surprised you the most? The filling machines?
the testing process, or how much technology is hidden inside something so simple? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes manufacturing journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and join us for more amazing process explanation videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.